How's it going, everyone? If you're trying to add someone to your Trello board without giving them access to your whole workspace, here's exactly how to do it in a super easy way. So once you're inside the board you want to share, simply look toward the top right where your board members usually show up. So there's going to be a button that says share or invite, depending on your version. So simply click that and Trello will then pop up the invite window. And all you have to do is simply type in the person's email address or paste the invite link that Trello generates for you. If the person isn't part of your workspace, Trello automatically marks them as a guest, which basically means they only get access to this board and nothing else in your workspace. So you also see Trello warn you if adding multiple guests will make the board a multi-board guest, which sometimes requires a paid plan. But if you're just adding one guest to one board, you're completely fine. And once you send the invite, they just have to accept it and they're in. They can also view the board, move cards, leave comments, or depending on the permissions you allow them. And that's literally it. So it's quick, clean, and perfect if you're working with someone outside your team. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.